Hi there guys, Sasha here from TT Liquor. Today we're going to show you another classic, which is probably one of my favorites too. It's a Whisky Sour, and it's the perfect tipple for this kind of temperature. So over to you, Kay.
Hi guys, it's Kay back here at TT Liquor. We are going to be making a Whisky Sour. And the first thing going in there is of course going to be some whiskey. So for this Whisky Sour, I'm going to be using this lovely Morris whiskey, and I want 50 mils or 2 shots of my whiskey. Right, next up, we need some citrus for our sour, and we want 1 shot or 25 mils of our lemon juice. And we want about kind of 10 to 15 mils of our simple syrup. I'm going to add a couple of dashes of Angostura bitters as well. So we want probably about half a pipette's worth of our Miraculous foamer. I'm just going to pop some ice in there and we'll be ready to shake. Whack my tin on top, big old smack to seal it. We give that a shake for around about 10 to 15 seconds. Here we go. And we're going to strain our drink over the top. Here we go. I'll just squeeze that over the top of the drink to expel some of the oils. And that is our Whisky Sour ready to drink.